In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with creating an SEO plan using ChatGPT for your travel blog. This journey will help you take the initial steps in optimizing your blog to reach a wider audience and enhance your online presence. So let's dive right in. First things first, we need to access ChatGPT. To do that, open your web browser and head over to chat.openai.com. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, you'll need to create an account, which is a straightforward process requiring just a few personal details. Once you're successfully logged in, you'll be greeted with ChatGPT's interface. Now, look for the option to start a new conversation, which is marked as plus new chat. Click this to begin. With your new chat ready to go, it's time to ask for a starter SEO plan tailored to a beginner. Type in a request for a 5-step SEO plan specifically designed for someone who is managing a travel blog. You can word it something like, create a 5-step SEO plan for a beginner who runs a travel blog. This request will prompt ChatGPT to provide a structured plan that outlines the foundational steps needed for effective search engine optimization. Next up, our focus shifts to keywords, which are crucial for enhancing your blog's discoverability. To identify the most effective keywords, ask ChatGPT for suggestions on low-competition keywords related to budget travel in Asia. You might want to type, suggest low-competition keywords about budget travel in Asia. This will yield a list of terms that you can strategically incorporate within your content to help it rank better in search results. With potential keywords in hand, we move on to refining your actual blog content, starting with meta descriptions. Meta descriptions serve as the first impression users might have when they stumble upon your content in search results. To make these descriptions more engaging, prompt ChatGPT by requesting it to write a captivating meta description for one of your articles, such as your Best Hostels in Bali piece. This small tweak can significantly impact click-through rates and user engagement. Following content enhancement, it's important to ensure that the technical side of your blog is in good shape. A technically sound website not only provides a smooth user experience, but also boosts your SEO efforts. Ask ChatGPT to list some simple methods for speeding up your site and making it mobile-friendly. Having a fast loading time and a responsive design are critical factors in today's mobile-centric world. Finally, an essential aspect of SEO is understanding backlinks and promotional strategies. Backlinks, or incoming links to your site, can enhance your blog's credibility. To learn more, ask ChatGPT for safe strategies to promote your travel blog and earn valuable backlinks. This will equip you with ideas for increasing your blog's visibility and authority in the online space. And there you have it, a concise introduction to creating an effective SEO plan using ChatGPT. By following these steps, you're well on your way to boosting your blog's performance and reaching more eager readers and fellow travelers. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!